How to publish gig on Fiverr without test. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your gig on Fiverr without any test. So for that, you just have to sign into your account on Fiverr. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and create an account. And for that, all you need is an email address, and you will also need to create a password according to you. And after that, just create your gig. Once you are in, just click the button to create your gig. All you need is to fill in some details. For example, you might need to pick a category and subcategory, enter the title and description, upload photos, and select add-on services. And after you have to finish filling in the details, it is time to set the price. You can set up base price, and the add-on service have their own prices separately. And after that, Fiverr will tell you if your pricing is too low or too high. And after that, once you are happy with everything, you can publish your gig. When you publish it, it goes live to everyone to see. You can also share it on your social media to help get more visibility. And after that, just offer your customer support. Now that your gig is live, it is important for you to stay on top of the customer's inquiry. Fiverr will give you notification when a customer contact you, or you will need to respond promptly to keep them happy. And this is how you will be able to publish a gig on Fiverr without any test. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.